Hey, sup maggots, this is Kimmerman from Kimmerman Gunpla Studio, and today we got here the Heisemuma Gangsuosi or the Steel Dragon Godzilla X Gundam X Evangelion model kit here from Black Trojan Horse, and this is the second installment from that company. And technically speaking, this kit is just a recolored version from the first Heisemuma Gangsuosi model kit, which is the RX-78 Godzilla color scheme. So this time we got the Evangelion Unit 1 color scheme, and for me this is the most or the best color scheme and concept for the kit, since the color is really nice. I really like the contrast effects of those orange, green, and purple, plus some accents for black shades, especially in the shoulder, the forearm, and the knee. Those black color really gives the Evangelion vibe. And the purple, I really like the purple shade because this is not the cheap color purple that they did with the Lacy Evangelion purple color, which is very what do you call this, very bland and boring. This one has a pearlescent effect. As you can see here, the shade of the purple there, and when the light bounce on those surface, you can see the pearlescent purplish effect, which is very cool. It's very nice in the eyes. And the yellow beam effect is much appropriate in this kind of color scheme, so I really like this. Actually, I did modification in this kit. It's supposed to be this green part on the collar. It should be all purple, but I like breaking the monotonous style of that, so I changed it to the green. And by the way, the green color, when you put some blue light or the UV light, it will glow and emit some, like I forgot the term, but emit some neon glow in the dark effect, something like that. And this orange part here, it should be purple also, so I did break the pattern. And for the chest, it should be purple, but instead I put black. And for the butt here, it should be purple, but I break the scheme. Instead of putting the purple, I chose between orange and green, but I much like the green here. So there we got the really nice Evangelion color scheme here. So this is the Heisemuma Gangsuosi Unit 1, which is the RX-78 color scheme. So again, technically they're the same. The only difference is of course the color, and for the vifins or the horn, of course in the RX-78 we'll use the vifin for Gundam, and for the Evangelion here I use the spiky horn, like the unicorn horn, like that. And the changes that I encountered with the kit is this one has the improved version on this one, so no fitting issues, unlike with this bullshit hand grenade here. This one is really bad. I had a hard time building this guy here because so many fitting issues, and the parts are, or the pegs are not appropriate, so you need to sand and decrease some plastic fillings. Whereas in this model here, this kit has all the improvement So no fitting issues, no loose parts. The only problem I encountered is on the feet, on the claws there. They're all loose, but I didn't made some modification yet on that feet. Maybe I will fix that after this review. And the sword, this one is really nice to apply compared with this one, where I sand everything in the pink part. This one I didn't touch any, so everything fits fine. This one, everything is bullshit. Okay. And for the tail has no or minimal gap, so I didn't modify anything in the tail except on this one. I sand all the pegs. This one I didn't do any. So this is perfect. This kit is really the perfect mode for this version. Okay, but they're very nice standing side by side together. So there we got to see the Ava and the RX-78 style of Godzilla standing together. So I will not discuss about the articulation because they're the same. I already did on this guy here. Okay, so this one is having a smooth glide on the shoulder joints and the legs, on the hips. Everything glides fine. Okay, so let's remove this and let's compare it with the, I got here the Kotobukiya Evangelion Unit 1 from the Thrice Upon a Time model or movie. So I just wish I had the big Evangelions. Supposed to be Evangelions are large kits or big kit, but there are no appropriate Evangelion that we can see in the market. Mostly they are non-scale, or the other one is the Meng kit, which is very tall. I think that's a 40 centimeter, but I don't like it because it got metal parts. I don't like metal parts in my kit. And for the weapons, by the way, we got here the gun, which looks like the pallet rifle from the Evangelion. So the scheme is the same with the pallet rifle. I like the green, the militaristic green here, and it has the same gimmick where I can put those grenade. There's a yellow grenade here. Okay, see the blasting cap like that. Same with the RX-78 version, but I much like the color scheme here. Okay, let's compare it again. So this is the RX-78 version. This is the palette version. So this is much better compared with this garbage here. Okay, so that's it. If you're interested with this kit, this Heisemuma Gangsuosi Evangelion schemed Godzilla, this is very nice. This is much recommendable compared with the other one. But I think if they will do some rare release of this one, maybe this guy will got a got improvements if they re-release this shit here. So see you next time, and thank you so much for watching this review of the Black Trojan Horse Evangelion X Godzilla X Gundam model kit. See you next time.